be if you could realize all the dreams you have inside. Don't be afraid if you got something to say. Just open up your heart and let it show you the way. Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be.
Sweet naman talaga, oh.
Exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself, you're better off, my far. And I hope you always stay the same. 'Cause there's nothing that I would change. Believing in yourself, reach down inside. The love you find will set you free. Believing in yourself, you will come alive. Happy to what you do, you make it through. Whoa. Don't you ever wish, oh